Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to give you a little tutorial on how to use Microsoft Office Word. Let's open up Word by clicking on our Start menu. We're going to go to All Programs. Let's find Microsoft Office and just click on Word. Now this opens up a default blank file in Microsoft Word, and you can basically use this as what's called word processing, which allows you to type letters, documents, and process what you type in by adding in formatting and lists and bullet points and things like that. So we're using Microsoft Office Word 2007, and one thing that's real neat in 2007 are the quick styles. So under the Home tab, under Quick Styles, let's select Title. I'm just going to type, "This is my document." And as you can see, that's applied a nice little style to our title of our document. I'm going to insert a subtitle style by selecting the Subtitle by David Andrews. Let's type a little bit here, just some regular text. "Welcome to my document." And since that's sort of a topic sentence, I'm going to highlight it and click on the B to bold it, and that makes it stand out a little bit more than normal text typically would. So I have a little bit of text, and let's say I want to create a list of items inside a Word. Let's just hit the Enter key, and we can either choose a bulleted list or a numbered list. I'm going to choose a numbered list. And as I press the Enter key, it creates a new number on my numbered list. Let's say we've been working on our document for a little while, and we want to save it. That's another part of word processing, is saving documents and opening them for later use. Let's click on the Office button here, click on Save. At that point, you choose where you want to save it. I would suggest you put everything under Documents. It automatically used my title, so I'm just going to press Enter. To open that document later, click the Office button, go to Open, and then just find "This is my document," and it will open right back up. My name is Dave Andrews, and I just gave you a little short tutorial on using Microsoft Word.